Okay, Lab 7, Modeling Evolution Lab for Environmental Science. Read the introduction, the background, concepts, procedure. It is pretty straightforward. You're going to be making an organism that's not going to look like an owl, let's say. It's going to be more abstract and look something like this. What you're going to do is start with a piece of graph paper, and you are going to make a square. Once you make a square, everybody at their table is going to have their own piece of graph paper, and you're going to take turns picking out of the 20 directional pieces of paper that you cut out and put it in the bucket that we talked about yesterday. So you're going to not look, pull out a slip, read what it says, and go where it says. One up. Put the square back in the box or back in the container, and you're going to make a square exactly one up. Next person goes into your table, pass the bucket around. When it gets back to you, you're going to pull out the next instruction, diagonal right down. Okay, so diagonal right down from the last square that you were at. Okay, keep going until everybody has had 20 picks. Okay, my next one is going to be 2 up. 2 up from where I last went. 1, 2. Now, if I pull my next instructional slip out and it says 2 down, I'm going to go back to 2 down. I'm going to be at a place where there's already a square. I just stay there till my next turn. After your last and final pick of 20, circle that square, and again, it'll probably be bigger, and stop. After everybody's picked, one of you at the table decide who's going to be natural selection, and say something that you have, a characteristic like 4 squares across, which represents on your owl sharp talons. So anybody who does not have that characteristic is going to cross and out and kill their organism and redraw on their graph paper anybody that survived. After that, you're going to go around, do 20 more picks apiece, add to your organism. After that, another person at your table is going to be natural selection and choose what their characteristic is, something they have. Maybe it's 5 diagonally down to the right, and that represents good vision. Okay, if you die, cross it out, copy a survivor, use your graph paper, and keep going until there have been 5 natural selections. After that, I want you to write a description of your owl based on what the 5 natural selections were above, okay, and answer the questions, everything but the extension. This should take you the entire hour. If you may not finish, put the instructions back up in the front where everything is for tomorrow when I'm back, and we'll finish.